Introduce features interest and fast overview of Zhrmghg-cam for cars 1080p FHD car-camera. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Simultaneous recording with super high resolution 1920x 1080p FHD 30 fps lens, deliver clearer videos and images, replay the key moment even when high-speed driving. WDR, HDR ensures the clarity of images at night. Eliminates the need for an auxiliary light source even in low-light environments, making it easy to obtain sharp, color-accurate images. Supports real-time display and replay on the screen without complicated installation and removal of SD card. Simplified operation interface and icons ensure your quick recognition and intuitive operation. Let you drive with peace of mind. With built-in G sensor, dashboard camera can automatically detect a sudden shake/collision and lock the footage to prevent the video from being overwritten. Accident scene can be truly restored. Your safety and legal risks are always under protection. The installation and operation are simple, and even the first-time users need no worry. The attached suction cup can be easily installed anywhere on the windshield in a few seconds. The driving recorder will start recording immediately after ignition, and save the video when you turn off the engine. If you want to get full highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.